Hey guys, it is Ashley and I know I haven't uploaded on this channel for months and months. I appreciate all of you guys who came from my main channel, subscribe to this one. Today I have decided I'm going to be on my journey to lightening my hair again. I haven't been full like blonde, like my whole head blonde since it's been 2 years since my full head has been blonde. I've been resting my hair for a while. Just I wanted to get my hair pretty healthy. Also I was dealing with a lot of like health problems, like health issues. I had to go to surgery earlier in the year, so I couldn't really do anything with my hair while I was recovering. I finally feel like now is the time because I really want to do sunset hair later on, but of course my hair needs to be lightened for me to put color on. This is an outgrown ombre because my hair was long, like it was to my ribs, and I just got it cut. I'm gonna get started. I'm a little nervous because I haven't bleached my hair in a while, but I think it's a good thing sometimes to be nervous than overconfident, I know what I'm doing. It's just that my anxiety gets bad. But you haven't bleached your hair before or don't really know nothing about bleaching hair, the best thing is to go to a salon really to get it done, and I know a lot of people want to do it at home. I'm not a professional or anything, but I have been doing my own hair for years now, like since 2014, and I've learned by many mistakes, and I feel like I've gotten way better than when I first bleached my hair. And also I learned tips from my own hairdresser. So I am in a junk shirt right now because it's just a shirt I always use for bleaching and coloring my hair because it's already ruined, what's the point. Basically mixing bowl, a brush. I am using 30 volume developer because that's what works for me. I have really hard to bleach Asian hair. If I use 20 it doesn't work at all, or it just turns my hair orange. I think this will make my hair more like a orangey blonde. I already know I'm not gonna go full blonde just in one because my hair is not gonna go light enough. Even if I do have like a few highlights, I mean it'll make the highlights pop out more, Anyway, and then the bleach that I use is the Ion Color Brilliance because this is the brand that works really well for me. Get it from Sally Beauty, pair it with the 30 volume developer. But yeah, I like theirs the best because it's sensitive scalp, and so it doesn't make my head itch that much. If I use like a different bleach it would be worse. Of course I have my gloves because I don't want my hands to get burned by the bleach. I also have a little hand mirror so I can see what I'm doing, especially in the back of my head because I will be doing this on my own. I basically stand in front of my bathroom mirror and then use this and then do it. Clips and hair ties to separate my hair. So basically what I do is I'll separate my hair into 4 parts. Like I'll go from like the tip of the ear basically and separate it on each side. So sometimes it's kind of hard if you do it yourself, but and I'll just tie it like that just so it'll be out of the way. Okay, I know I look like crazy weird, but basically parted my hair in 4 sections. This is how the back looks like. So I'm clipping this aside because I'm going to work on this piece for now. You always want to start in the back. Like, it doesn't matter which side, but in the back because the back of the head actually takes longer to lighten and process. You always want to like mix more than you need because you don't want to like run out, and have to like redo it. Check the time when you start. It's 1:15. You don't want that much on your brush, and you're just gonna start like basically I'll go like this, standing in front of the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to get it on my ends because it's already lightened pretty blonde. I just kind of want to lighten up the little highlights that I have and pretty much my hair. Yeah, you don't want to also don't paint like super close to the root as well, because your roots will bleach super fast, and you don't want hot roots is what they call it. Okay, and the back is really hard to do, so it's okay if it's not like super perfect. That's what I like to say anyway. And then I'll take this off, and then I'll use this comb to like section small pieces, starting from bottom up is what I find the easiest. So, and then I'll use this clip to clip it in place. brown this is gonna get, and I'm gonna wash it out now. It's been a while, so then I'm gonna tone it because I know it's gonna be bright yellow, orange, and we don't want that. Okay, as you can see, it is very bright yellow orange, which is what happens when I dye my or bleach my hair, or pretty much any Asian hair will turn this color when you first bleach it. That's why it takes me like 3 bleaches, rounds of bleaches to get to like a nice like white blonde. Of course I don't bleach it like all at once in a week. I wait at least a month before I bleach it again. We're just gonna tone it because we need to tone down the oranginess, because I am not gonna go out like this. I mean, it's okay, I guess, but still, you know, I don't like it. What I use is T14, well, a color charm with 20 volume developer. The T14 is really good to take out orange tones, which in my case is very orange. So we're gonna do that. 1 part toner and 2 parts developer. And you want to do this on damp hair like right after you bleach it. So you want to mix that pretty well. Alrighty, so this is my hair now. It's still a little damp, but wow. Okay, wait. I'm gonna actually go in natural lighting so you can actually tell, because I'm standing right under yellow light, so it's making it look more yellow, because right now it's more like an orange color. But okay, let me go in my room. Okay, so yeah, this is more true to the color in this lighting. Okay, it's still looking more yellow. In person, it is more orange. I want to try to take some pictures and see. But yeah, like I said, I knew I wasn't gonna be blonde on the first bleach, because that's pretty much impossible to do with Asian hair or any dark hair really. You would have to go like 2 or 3 times. But so I will wait a while till I bleach it again. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's not my favorite color in the whole wide world, but my hairdresser actually likes it when my hair is this color for some reason. I don't. But yeah, I feel like I missed some spots, like kind of like around here, or like, I don't know, when I was looking through my hair I could see like black, or like right here. It's really hard to do it on your own, so if you can, maybe it's better, you know, ask someone, hey, did I miss anything? But I'm home alone, so I have to do it on my own. That is how I bleach my hair, and I hope you like it. Again, I'm not a professional, so I'm not gonna be perfect, and do this at your own risk. But yeah, my hair isn't damaged or anything. It's still good. You know, do a lot of conditioning treatments and let it rest and grow out, and then bleach it again, and then I'll probably color it. Bye guys, peace out.